To fix a noisy refrigerator, there are several potential causes to consider. A dirty condenser fan can cause the fridge to overwork, leading to overheating and noise. Regular cleaning of the fan and coils is essential to prevent this. A malfunctioning evaporator fan motor, located in the freezer compartment, can also be a culprit. Removing built-up ice around the fan blades may resolve the issue. But if the noise persists, replacing the motor may be necessary. Additionally, an off-balance fridge can create unusual noises. Using a level to check the balance and adjusting the legs as needed can help. In more severe cases, a broken compressor may be the source of the noise, in which case it's necessary to contact a technician for replacement. By addressing these potential causes, it's possible to fix a noisy refrigerator using these easy steps.